graduates. At this point, to give us her closing message, let's give a big hand to Cameron Aguilar. A round of applause and we will.
To our dearest school president, Mr. Michael S. Yama, our devoted registrar, Mrs. Elvira Galvez, our ever-supportive basic education directress, Mrs. Flor Denisa Maliman, our dedicated senior high school principal, Mrs. Celia Daywan, our hard-working senior high school vice principal, Mrs. Josefina Manahan, our beloved teachers and staff of Dr. Yama's Colleges Incorporated, our proud parents and guardians, and of course, my fellow graduates, warmest greetings and a good day to all. As we come to the end of this memorable ceremony and take one last look at the chapter we're about to close, a familiar moment from Toy Story 3 comes to mind. When Andy, no longer the little boy who once played with Woody and Buzz, prepares to leave for college. In that moment, he learns what it means to let go, not forget, but make room for what lies ahead. In the same way, we find ourselves standing on the edge of our own journey. Like Andy, we carry with us the laughter in classrooms, the challenges we've overcome, the lessons we learned from both books and life, and the people who shaped us into who we are today. Now, it's time to take a step forward, to grow, change, and embrace the future that awaits us. And while change can be daunting, it is also necessary. We don't leave the past behind. Instead, we carry it with us, stitched into our stories as a constant reminder of who we are and where we have been. But before we move forward, let us take a moment to look back and express our deepest gratitude. To our parents and families, thank you for your endless sacrifices, unwavering love, and belief in us, even when we doubted ourselves. To our loved ones and friends, our real-life Woodies, Buzzes, and loyal pals, thank you for the companionship and for making this journey lighter, brighter, and much more fun along the way. To our teachers and the entire DYCI community, thank you for not only shaping our minds and instilling discipline, but also for giving us a home, one that nurtured us, believed in us, and became our second family. Truly, DYCI is more than a school. It is and will always be a family. Above all, to the Lord, thank you for being our strength, our purpose, and our light through it all. As we close this chapter and reach for new heights, let us hold on to the words of Sheriff Woody himself. Reach for the sky, not just as a call to dream big, but as a reminder to live out magis, to always strive for more, to go beyond what is expected, and to be the best versions of ourselves in service to others. Congratulations, class of 2025. This journey continues, and from here on out, may we always choose to reach for the sky.